couple of great ingredients make up a beautiful pesto. I'm using the best of the best award-winning olive oil from our friends at House of Ext. Now the other key ingredient here is pine nuts. So I'm gonna put them in a dry roasting pan here. Chili flakes, a little bit to add a bit of heat, good healthy teaspoon. Some salt and pepper, so I got my S&P shaker here. Pull some garlic in, and I'm gonna put 4 of these buds in. Not quite yet, not yet, that's okay. And now we want zest of a lemon. Look at that zest. Once again, using South African lemons. All right, these are done. So let's get those in. Now let's give her a mix. Sierra, come test the pesto. This is the ultimate test, by the way, if Sierra likes it. Good?
Yummy.
Yummy? All right, we're done?
Spicy.
Yeah, I put a little bit of chili flakes in. Too spicy? No?
Perfect.
All right, there you have it. Perfect pesto.